I'm back. Hey, what's up you guys? This is PRAKHAR from Cash Influencer. Friends, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your love and support. If you are watching this video for very first time on this channel, then I would like to tell you that this channel is all about how to make money online, how to create a passive income for you so that you can create a life of true freedom, both money freedom and time freedom. So subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell icon too so that you can get notification of my next upcoming uploaded video. Okay, so my friends, let's get started today's video. I hope you might have seen my last video. In my last video I have talked about legendary marketer 3.0 and I also talked about that does legendary marketer work for beginners or not, and I hope you all have understood it very well. So now it's up to you what you will decide, whether you will decide to join legendary marketer and earn money with it, or you will just be searching and searching and searching for its reviews for a very long time. So let me ask you a question. Would you like to be an entrepreneur, or you are just a entrepreneur? You just wanted to do something in your life, or you will take action for changing your life? So it's up to you. So now I may be rude at this point, but I am serious only for those who are very serious to join legendary marketer and earn money with this new red hot system. So what you will do now? You will wait for the right time to come so that you can join legendary marketer, and if yes, then how long you will wait for the time that you can decide to join legendary marketer? And if not, then why not you come and hang out with me to join legendary marketer today and we together make money online. So let me give you a quick review, a quick brief introduction what you will get if you will join legendary marketer today. So if you will join legendary marketer today, you will be able to know how I drive traffic to my affiliate link, to my affiliate offer, and how you too can do this in a same way. Second thing is how I collect more leads and sales, and also I will teach you the exact same strategy how you also can capture all those leads and those sales. Next, another big thing is how to scale your business to earn high life-changing commissions, because the business you are in, it is something that gives you high life-changing commissions, and how you can get those commissions, it is a big thing to know. So next thing is what content you should make so that people should attract towards you, so that people should come and listen to you, to your video, to your audio, to your posts, to your stories, to your profiles. And the next thing is how to highlight yourself among your competitors, because you know in each and every area there is a competition. So how to highlight yourself from your competitors so that a new person should come and watch your video, click your link and know the system from your link. And also if you will join legendary marketer today, you will be also able to get these 38 special bonuses. These 38 bonuses are provided by me only for you, only and only if you will decide to join legendary marketer right now. What are those 38 bonuses? These bonuses I will discuss each and everything about it at the end of the video, but let me tell you just now that these bonuses will help you to explore online marketing in details and will help you earn money online. So finally, now it's up to you whether you will let this opportunity go and pass through you, or you will hold it and you will make good use of this golden time. Let me tell you a note, there is no perfect time, there is nothing perfect in this world, but decisions makes them so. Decisions are the only things that has changed many life, that has also changed my life, because I took a decision to change my life and I am doing it, and thanks to God for providing me this opportunity which is known as legendary marketer. Now whatever you decide, just know one thing, that what I am giving you today is something, it is a special layout, it is special 38 bonuses that will help you earn money online, that will help you understand online marketing in details. And this is something that has changed lives of many people. So let's go and get started, or just hear stories from many other people and just live with regret of missing this opportunity forever. So what do you say? Are you in? If yes, then let me tell you all the 38 bonuses in details. But if you are not interested, I will say just stop this video and leave this channel. But if you are very serious, then let me tell you all those 38 bonuses that will help you change your life and your financial future. So what are those 38 bonuses? Let me read one by one so that you can change your life. Number one is Legendary Marketer official Facebook group. Get access to our private Facebook group for more training, questions and share successes. So number two, Legendary Marketer full marketing system. This is a system that many people are using and getting their lives changed. Number three, Facebook training to show you how to find countless leads for your business using this Facebook trainings. Number four is YouTube training. Learn how to rank your videos and start generating leads and sales on autopilot. Number five, Instagram training. Learn how to find your targeted audience and run your business on autopilot. So number six is automatic email follow-up series. We all know how important it is to follow up with our prospects. So now you will get access to our highly converting email swipes that will do all the follow-up and closing for you. Number seven, Bing Ads Mastery. Discover how to get instant traffic for pennies with Bing Ads. Number 8, 24 top secret traffic sources that are the hidden website and is traffic mines. 24 revealing videos are given there. Next is my Skype call and screen sharing support. I also will support you by doing screen sharing sessions with you and also one-on-one personal call with you. Number 10, YouTube rank analyzer software. You will be given a software to discover how to dominate YouTube and build massive targeting lists for free. Number 11, Twitter marketing training. Power user tips for Twitter professionals. Number 12, affiliate list proof software. This is a software with which you can easily build your own list through your affiliate links, all on autopilot. Number 13, LinkedIn marketing. Because you all know LinkedIn is one of the greatest marketing trends. So automatically you will endorse all your LinkedIn friends. Number 14, viral marketing techniques. Discover a powerful system that you can use right now to quickly generate more traffic and sales with barely any effort on your part. Number 15 is Facebook ads strategy. It is something that is hot and hot video tutorials are given to show you the tools, the techniques and the top tips to finally succeed and get results for your affiliate offer, for your affiliate business. Number 16 is Facebook quiz creator. As you all know that in today's world, quiz are very important and quizzes are making fun in the lives of people. So with WordPress Facebook quiz creator, you can easily create fun, entertaining Facebook quizzes with just a few clicks of your mouse. Number 17, Google Display Network training. Uncover the secrets of getting more traffic with less money and less effort through the Google Display Network. In number 18, Yahoo Cache training. Simple Yahoo Cache step-by-step video series. Number 19, how to do Facebook advertising. Number 20, secrets of Facebook Live to get sales. Storytelling formula. Number 22, Instagram marketing. 23, how to create success in your life. Because there are some still hacks to create success in your life. So you will get all those hacks in this bonus. Now 24, solo ad mastery. How to run a solo ad for yourself, how to get mastery in it. 25, traffic explosion techniques. 26, 6-figure passive income secrets. 27, you will also know how to use YouTube for leads and sales. 28, how to get traffic from Facebook. 29, email marketing strategies. 30, free traffic strategies. 31, 5-figure per month income secrets. 32, how to use spare time to earn 10k per month. 33, how to earn 5k per month passive income online. 34, how to earn money from Facebook groups. How to SEO Bing and Google ads. How to build an email list. How to automate email marketing. And last one is 100% sure shot unlimited formula. You will get all those 38 bonuses and also much more to come when you will do this business with us. Look, my mission is to help you create an online business, start making money online and create a passive income for you. so that you can create a life of true freedom, both money freedom and time freedom. That's why you are getting all those bonuses and you are getting this done for you total system, done for you online business model. Believe me, I will teach you everything step by step. So today you are now just one step away from starting your own online business and making money online. So click the button below or click the link given in the description below and get started today to complete your first step. After this sign up, complete your day 5 training and email me on Facebook. I have also given my Facebook link in the description of this video. So message me there on Facebook and get link for all those special 38 bonuses that I will give you after completion of your day 5 training inside your legendary marketer back office. So all the best, but you will get access to all those bonuses only and only if you will qualify my 6 conditions, and this is limited to only first 200 people and it is based on first come first serve basis. So make sure you qualify all those 6 conditions and send me an email immediately to know whether you are being selected in those 200 candidates or not, and email me at prakhar@cashinfluencer.com. So what are my conditions? Here are my 6 conditions. So condition number 1, you must be a English speaking person. Number 2 condition, you must have a MasterCard, a Visa card, a MX card or Discover card. Any one from these 4 cards with having a international transaction facility from your bank account. Condition number 3, you must have teachability, means you must have ability to learn new things each and every day. Number 4 condition, you must be highly committed and you will not leave this business until and unless you will earn your first $1,000. So if you are committed that you will not leave this business until and unless you will earn your first $1,000 commission from this business, then you will qualify this condition. Condition number 5, you must be capable of using your smartphone, your laptop, your computer, your desktop with having some skills of MS Word, not much highly skilled you must be, but you must have skills to copy and paste the things and also internet surfing so that you can know the facts, you can know much more information about the legendary marketer or many other online marketing things. And also you must be capable of sending and receiving emails. And condition number 6, you must have at least 4 social media accounts, and these accounts may be on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat. You may also have a blog or a website, etc. So if you think you can qualify all those 6 conditions, then send me a mail at prakhar@cashinfluencer.com by writing, yes sir, I have qualified all your 6 conditions and here are my 4 social media accounts. So send me a proof of your 4 social media accounts there and you have to write just, yes sir, I have qualified your 6 conditions and here are my 4 accounts of different social medias. Then you will send this mail to me at prakhar@cashinfluencer.com and I will reply you back whether you are selected in those 200 candidates or not. And if you will be selected, then I will also send you a link to get started right now so that you can get access to all those 38 bonuses and also all those secrets and tools that you will be using, like what I am using to get leads and sales and high life-changing commissions. So believe me, I will help you step by step. So you have to complete your first step. And what is your first step? First step is to click the link below in the description or maybe upside there is a link. You have to click that link and join the legendary marketer. Complete your day 5 trainings. Then send me a message on Facebook so that I can give you a link to all those 38 bonuses that will help you explore online marketing in details and also will help you to earn high life-changing commissions from the comfort of your home by doing the work online. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have got inspiration from this video, then I will say you just join Legendary Marketer today so that I can help you. And this is only limited to first 200 people, and it is a first come first serve basis. So hurry up, go click link below in the description, or maybe link is above here. So click that link and join Legendary Marketer today. Then complete your day 5 training and message me on Facebook so that I can help you and give you all those bonuses for 100% free. Okay, so let's get started. All the best, and I will see you inside. Bye for now.